Guys, I want to show you how I've been sitting on AMD for the past week, right? I had original levels, AMD 104.44 short, 101.68 short. I was waiting. Even this morning on the live stream, guys, I was talking about the $99 area that I took short because it was such a good level, and I'm going to show you guys why. So when I was calling for the 101.68 level, that was when we were consolidating 3 days here below this linear regression and the 20-day moving average. You can see here that once we cracked that on the 20th, we put in a new low of 101.44. That became our pivot. We should have been short since 101.44. Now, again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do. I can only say what I'm doing and kind of get your eyes to the charts to see if you can comprehend what the heck is going on here. My system works because it allows trades to come to you, right? Now, this is nothing revolutionary. I didn't just invent gold. I didn't just discover water. These are all just different moving averages, supply and demand zones, but it's how I'm using them to my benefit to allow myself to sit on my stump and allow these trades to go ahead and come to fruition. Again, this morning I was looking at a 99.20s, 99.30s area short on AMD. I posted the gains in the Evolution Traders Discord. Why was I looking at that? Well, look, once we got short through the 101.40s, I played AMD yesterday 2 days ago as well. We had a little bit of a dead cat bounce. We got rejected. We got rejected at the 5-day moving average. Look at where we stopped, guys. If your eyes do not see that we stopped at the 200-day moving average and below that we don't have anything until we come back to these previous September lows, what are we thinking? Do you need help with position sizing? Do you need help with confidence? Do you need help with learning how to read the charts? Join Evolution Traders. I got your guys' backs. Like, this is not hard. Let's build the team stronger so we can all make more money together. The more eyes we have on these charts and the more eyes we have on the levels, the more money everyone's going to make. It's not rocket science. Like, I don't know any other way to put it. The 101.44 level was clean and clear. It had room down to 100, and then it had room down to 99. Those two price targets were hit. Now, what's the next level off this dead cat bounce? A loss of the frickin' 200 SMA. It's not rocket science, guys. When you see that play, you should not be telling yourself, well, maybe we're going higher. Well, I think that we're kind of overbought or oversold. Well, I don't think that the market's going to go any lower because of XYZ. The market proved you dead ass wrong today because the NASDAQ 100 was down over 400 points at one point in time. The market doesn't really care if you think it's overbought or oversold. The market doesn't give a shit what, the news is saying. The market does what the market does. It's only up to you to figure out what the hell the market is doing and try to get in with the flow, right? That's all we're trying to do. Trades are not always going to work out. I will be the first to tell you, I'm not here to sell you some pipe dream. I'm not here to sell you that you're going to be a multimillionaire day trading stocks with $1,000 account. I'm not here saying that you're going to flip $500 into $50,000 in 30 days. I'm not saying none of that shit. I'm telling you that this business is hard. I'm telling you that you need a lot of money to make a lot of money. I'm telling you that you can also compound small wins and grow an account and do this as a supplemental income. Do this as a form of retirement. Do this as a means to getting away from whatever it is situation that you're coming from. You can definitely do that over time. Again, you have to understand potentially where stocks can stop and where they can gravitate towards. The sooner you realize that, and the sooner you trust technical analysis, and the sooner you just stop thinking. There is no thinking in this game. All we are doing is looking at it. Well, if we break this level of supply, potentially we can go to the next area of supply. Is this worth the risk that I'm putting on the table? That's it. There is no rocket science behind this. Is this trade worth me putting risk on the table? If the answer is yes, let's jump into the trade. If the answer is no, because there's maybe a little bit of room or the stop loss is going to be too big, then the answer is no, we don't take the trade. But when we sit back and we allow these trades to come to us, guys, essentially AMD was a short right off the bell. Right off the bell through pre-market lows, just went down to the linear regression on the 5-minute time frame, stayed below the 20 SMA, stayed below 20 SMA, didn't even get above the 20 SMA until 12:25 Pacific Standard Time. Guys, you could have essentially got into this play at 6:30 off the bell and sold, literally 30 minutes before the market closed, and that was it. It went down from a price of 150 all the way down to 94. I mean, this is a $6 move on a baby stock. Like AMD does not trade $5, $6, $7 in a day average true range. Like a good day for AMD is like 1 to 250. Like that's a great day. Like when you're talking about a stock that moved almost $5, $6 and it's a $100 stock, come on, guys, what are we thinking? If you guys want to get access to the Evolution Traders community and mentorship so you guys can learn and trade with me each and every single day live, I'll give you access to all of my courses. I'll give you access to my watch list that I just kind of showed you where you guys can look at it every single day, access to book a one-on-one coaching call with me through my calendar. We can go over whatever you guys want to go over. Again, that link's down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.